Good afternoon. I am Rajesh and I am with my teammates Vishwa and Rishi Raj. We will be interviewing our esteemed guest, the creator of Guilt fashion brand, Mr. Jeet Chatterjee, who is a fashion enthusiast as well as an entrepreneur. A little bit about his company. Guilt is a startup online fashion store that was recently created under lockdown circumstances. Their goal is to capture street trends and keep them alive. They create fashionable, classy, and slim outfits that can be worn by men, women, and children. You can get daily apparel like authentic shirts and designer pants that are customizable. Their shirts have aesthetic looks, and any message or anime can be printed on them. Their company has a wide range of styles to choose from, and all their products are creatively made. It is still in its starting stages, but there is great potential in this company. Let us begin.
Yeah, hello Jeet Chakravarti. This is Vishwa Swedi, and I have another two friend of mine, Rishi Raj and Rajesh. So today we have some set of questions that we would like to ask you about you and your business. So now I'll start with my question. So my first
Sure.
question is, every child has a dream to become something or to achieve something in life, and they need
Yeah.
motivation, that they need something that would encourage them to do something. So
Yeah.
same way, what was the thing in the beginning when you started a business motivated you?
So basically, my motivation came in a very weird way. Actually, we were a couple of friends sitting in a cafe, and we were thinking about. We were just thinking about what can we start. Someone came up with a water distribution idea.
Yeah.
Someone came up with something else. So while that was happening, a friend of ours was scrolling through her phone, uh, looking for a customized T-shirt for her friend, and we saw how most of the sites don't offer it. Plus, the ones which offer it, they were offering it for very bad quality and it was very expensive. Plus, we have something in this industry called screen printing, which does not last very long when washed. So, we wanted to get rid of a few problems and give a genuinely good product for cheap price. Not a cheap price, maybe a a price which is within people's budget.
Yeah.
So we went ahead with it.
Yeah, thank you so much Jeet, for your answer. Now my next question is, every business when it is started has a mission. So what is the mission at the outset?
So the mission that we had was to basically feed as many dogs as we can. Dogs and cats, all the strays. We wanted to do that. So that's the only mission we have had.
Yeah, that is very kind of you, Jeet. Now my next question is, we all know that you have a clothing business, but we would like to hear
Yeah.
from you about your business.
So basically, my business consists of trending t-shirts with those designs, whether it's anime, whether it's a slogan,
Yeah.
whether it's a personalized design. It's consistent of that, and on also like what we follow up on is customized prints. So whether it's a mug, whether it's a t-shirt, whether it's anything else, that's our work. We get it done.
Yeah, thank you so much, Jeet. My next question is, as we all know, every company advertise about their products and about their business,
Yeah.
and it's very important that you advertise your business. So and
Yeah.
you also advertise. So how do you advertise your
So
business and products?
I use Facebook ads, and sometimes I use Google ads.
Yeah.
So like Facebook gives a very detailed an infograph. There's a
Yeah.
very detailed infograph on who's purchasing it, what device that person is using,
Yeah.
and how likely are they to purchase again.
Yeah, thank you so much, Jeet. My next question is, success depends on many things. The first main thing is your hard work. And according to you, how can you achieve a success in a business, or how can you succeed in something?
again, as you said, that it's hard work
Yeah,
and patience.
yeah,
Patience is the thing that drives us crazy. Actually, hard work isn't the thing, because we are willing to, as humans, we are ready to put hard work into anything. But what we are is we are not patient with.
yeah. Thank you, Jeet. My next question is, as we all know, employee, the people who works in a company is the main asset, because the
Yeah,
company cannot run without that. So
yeah,
if you want to hire someone, what do you look in them?
yeah. I like them to have the same dedication that I have, and I want them to be fluent in a few languages like Hindi, Bengali, and English. English mainly. I don't look for degrees or any type of uh, studies. I am not someone who look into what you have studied or something. I just
Yeah.
want those to be there, and I want someone who has the dedication, who wants to work. He's no, I don't want someone who is just working there because he has to earn some money. I want someone who's working there because he wants to be there.
Yeah, that was really nice talking to you, Jeet. Now these were my questions that I wanted to ask. Now I want my friend Rishi Raj to ask some more questions. So
Sure, sure.
Rishi Raj, please continue.
Hi, Jeet. So I am Nishiraj Kundu. So
Hi.
I have some questions prepared for you. So what we knew about your company, we came to know about your company. So what are your goals of the company?
I definitely my one of my goals is to have stores, many stores in the country. But as I said, my main goal is to feed as many strays as I can.
Okay. So my next question is, as you are the business owner, or so what are the responsibilities do you have as a business owner?
So I am not the sole owner. I have two friends who are with me, and we have different approaches towards this. I handle the entire I would say software part of it, where it comes to making creatives, flyers, or handling the website, or coming up with Instagram posts or reels. I have the entire creative decision, and I also do the product photography at times. And one of my friends, they go he goes ahead with all the field work, and another friend of mine, she goes ahead with all the accounting,
Okay,
and
okay.
three of us together manage the factory as well.
Okay. So coming to the next question, so what do you think is a disadvantage of being an entrepreneur?
You do not have any leaves. You work each and every single day until you have succeeded, and secondly, you have no one to help you. It's your work, and it's only you who can do it.
Yeah. Oh. And when you commenced your company or business, so what struggles did you face till now?
So I remember when we just started and we were completely unaware of how things are. We were naive, and we made a very bad decision to start with third-party printing,
Okay, okay.
and we got tricked by a person who gave us sticker prints, and we had no clue of it. Since the shipment arrived at night, we were not able to check up on it. Then the next day we had our brand shoot. So when we went to our brand shoot, we saw that this is not the type of material that we should be giving to our customers, and at the same time the reseller just stopped accepting our calls. So that's one mistake that we made.
So my next question is, do you follow or do you have any idol whom you like? You want to achieve something which your idol have become.
So I have a friend. He's like a big brother to me, and like a few years ago when I wasn't working, he had started his own second-hand car dealership, and he worked as much as he could. during the weekends, during holidays, and every single day. He has worked a lot, and at this point of time, he has a huge showroom, and he's about to open another one, and he's been dealing with celebrities and luxury cars. So, of course, that's my one of the places I get my motivation from.
So this comes to our end of our questions. So I want to ask last one question as a younger
Sure.
brother. So like if I and Vishwa start our own business, so what advice will you give to us? Like what advices?
So I would like to say that firstly, if you have something in your head and you're confident about it, please do not take anyone else's advice. Just
Yeah.
go ahead with it. You might face a loss, you might really be successful with it, but understand this one thing, that it's never a failure, it's always a lesson. And
Okay.
the second thing I would like you all to understand is don't compete with anyone.
Yeah.
Do not compete with anyone. If someone's business is blooming in 1 month, it's not necessary that even yours will. So be patient about it and go ahead with it. I'm pretty sure you would be in the same state as everyone else, or maybe ahead.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Thank you so much, Jeet.
Yeah, thank
You're
you so
welcome.
much, Jit. This really motivated me, and I would love to start a business after I finish my degree. And it was really
Sure.
nice talking to you, and we really learned and got motivated so much that